What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We have a great day of tech news for you. Some sad news in there I'm really sad about. No questions. You guys didn't leave me any questions. But before we jump into all that, I did want to remind you guys, head over to my community page, which the way you get there is click on my name down below, click on the community tab at the top, and you will see my question about the Vivo X Fold. I want to know what you guys want to know about this. What did I not tell you so far that you're really dying to know? So put those questions in there. I will choose the 20 best questions from it and put it into a new video coming out probably this week. But without further ado, let's jump into the tech news. Our first story of the day is about Nothing. That's right, the Nothing phone, and when it's potentially going to be launched plus released. So check this out. So this is coming from Ben Geskin, but Ben Geskin's pulling it from a tech site, and it says the Nothing Phone 1 could launch on July 21st with a price of around 500 euros. I believe that's euros. I always get messed up with those symbols. I think it's euros. Very inexpensive when you think about that. Even if you equate that into American dollars, it's probably gonna be like $650 bucks. So it makes me think, is it gonna have a really new processor? Is it gonna have 12 gigs of RAM? Is it gonna have IP rating? Is it going to have fast charging? Is it gonna have this? Is it gonna have that? So it's kind of a low price, but I'm curious to see what they do. And if you don't know who the Nothing team is, the guy that started OnePlus is now the head of this company. So it should be pretty cool. And they have some earphones you can pick up right now through their website. Next up is this, check it out. It's what the iPhone 14 Pro is going to look like in purple. It's coming from the folks over at Front Page Tech. It's showing this off. We've seen what the iPhone 14 Pro is going to look like, but I thought it'd be cool to see what it's going to look like in purple, because if I pick it up, probably pick it up in this purple color. I really like these light lilac looking purple colors. They look really, really nice. And I'm really liking the way the new iPhone looks, especially on the front part there. That little cutout into the screen of the cameras and the sensors does not bug me whatsoever. Let me know about you guys in the comments down below. And our last story of the day has to do with a phone I was so looking forward to last year. It was supposed to come out, at least the rumors were pointing at it, last year at the end of 2021, and then they were supposed to come out this year at the end of 2022, and it was going to compete in a lot of ways with the Galaxy Z Fold 3/4 and any other folding phone, because they had the same or similar type creation as this phone, and it now looks like it's getting delayed again. It's crazy. The Elec is reporting that Google has postponed the launch of the foldable smartphone again. So the Google Notepads Fold, whatever you want to call it, is delayed, and we got further confirmation from Ross Young as well. He said that he's hearing from multiple sources in their supply chain that Google foldable launch was delayed until next spring. So that's literally a year away. Like, you're 2022 we're in now, and it's still the spring. You're talking one full year away. That's how crazy this is, and that's going to be. It's sad because I was so looking forward to this, and I want some competition for this phone, at least here in America, some real competition. I love this phone, but if you watch my video today that I released about it. So your question of the day is, how does that make you feel? Were you looking forward to this phone? You don't care about the Pixel Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, no questions today, unfortunately, so if you have a question, leave it in the comments down below with the first word being question. We'll get that answered for you. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace!